We elect our politicians when they say they're going to change things. We're going to change this. We need change. We've been examining that very, very carefully as we go through this large-scale change and transformation business and problem-solving business. And we've learned something really interesting. The word change, very valid word, very important word. The word transformation, very valid, very important. They're just not the same words at all. And so we began to look at this very, very carefully. And we began to say, we use these words interchangeably, but are they? And so here's what we want to show you, because the chances of pulling off a large-scale effort of change or transformation begins with knowing which one of these two things you're doing, and they are extremely different. Let me show you how. This is where the work is done. It's called right now. Now, right now in your organization, people are doing work. The question is, what is causing them to do that kind of work at that kind of moment? Is it that they have looked at their past and they've said, we can do better. We need to fix this. So what they want to do is they want to fix it. They want to make it better, cheaper, faster, leaner. Any of the ER words, you can fill it in. So they're going to work right now to make this past better, faster, cheaper. What's the best thing they can get in the future? What is the best thing they can get in the future? That's right, a better, faster, cheaper past. In other words, we did good. How? How do you know? Because we're bigger. We did good. We worked really well and did good. Why? Because we're cheaper. Because we're smaller. The future generates its entire reference point from the past. It's locked in the past when you fix things. And we're saying that this is change. And that is the job of managers. You take the past, you use Six Sigma, TQM, and other tools like that, and you fix it and you make it better, and you get that in the future. What we've learned, though, is that there's another way to motivate an organization and to have new things happen. And that is to begin with the future. You go ahead and analyze the past. You should understand the past. But then you let it go. And then you build a vision of how things should be. And you build it in a way that it touch, moves, and inspires a large group of people. And those people say, I want that. I'm falling in love with that future. And then you invite them to work now to create it. So instead of a fix, it is a creation process. And what are they creating? The future. So how do they know if they did good? If they achieved their vision. There's no reference point to the past. They are free from the past and working directly towards the future. We call this transformation. Transformation begins with acknowledging the past and letting it go, then stating the future and working to create it so that you have it. We call this also the job of leaders. So in the change versus transformation prime, we distinguish change, which is fix the past, from transformation, which is create the future. And we distinguish this as the job of managers and this as the job of leaders. Change versus transformation. To make this very, very clear, the butterfly is not a better, faster caterpillar. It is a new system.